Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Coders Cluster. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fillna function with the help of pandas library. In last two videos, we just saw how to find null values from a data frame and how to drop those null values with the help of pandas library from a data frame. And in this video, we are going to see how to fill those null values with the help of pandas library. So for that, I'm importing the pandas library first. Import pandas as pd, and I'm importing numpy also, numpy as np. So now I imported the pandas and numpy libraries, and after that I'm going to create a data frame. So I'm naming it as df, and df equal to pd dot data frame of. Okay guys, now I created the data frame and our data frame name is df. And first of all, we'll see how the data frame is. This is our data frame. In our data frame, we do have 5 rows and 4 columns. In name rows, we have name of the employees, and age row, we do have their age and their experience and their salary range. So we do have null values in age and experience columns. This is just a sample dataset, guys. So here I'm going to show you what all the techniques available in pandas to fill null values in data frame. So for that, we are calling the data frame first df dot. There's a function which is fill na of. I'm just passing 10 into that fill na of function. By just running this, we can see this given 10 has been deployed in all the NA values. We can see for Mark age is 10 and Alvarado age is 10 and experience for Robert and Monica the experience is 10, 10, 10. And other than that, we have method to pass inside this function. By giving method, we can give forward fill. And this is the result we got from the forward fill method. By seeing this result, we can tell our NA values has been filled from the previous value. So Mark and Alvarado's age has been filled with Monica's age, which is 41. So we can see here 41 for Mark and 41 for Alvarado. Same like age in experience also. For Alvarado, it's 24. It has been filled from Mark's experience, which is 24. So this is one of the method which is available in fill in a function, and we can do backfill also. By giving this, we can see this 11 has been filled in this NA. So we can see this 11 has been filled in this NA for Alvarado's experience, and this 24 has been filled in Monica's and Robert's experience. And same like that, Alan's age has been filled for Alvarado and Mark's. This is another method, and we can do limitations also in this. For limitation, by passing limit equal to 1, it will fill just only one row after the non-NA values. So it will just fill only one row, like here. Here we can see Alan's 38 age has been filled for Alvarado but not filled for Mark. So now you can understand how the limit works here. We can pass numpy's mean function inside this fill na function. So for that, I'm just calling numpy's mean function, and inside this mean function I'm giving data frames age column. Okay, by running this, we can see in NA values it has been filled with average value of this age column. All the null values has been filled with average value of the age column. We can see the average value is 35.666667. So it has been filled for Mark, Alvarado, and in experience column it has been filled for Robert and Monica and for Alvarado. If you want to round off these values, you just give np dot round off. By running this, we can get a round off value. These are all the methods available for filling NA values in a data frame. That's all for this video, guys. And in next video, I'll show you how to create dummy variables for a data frame's particular column. So see you all in next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.